Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about top rated HVAC companies in Weatherford. Number 1 A fire and domestic testing. A1 service is committed to excellence in every aspect of your business. We uphold a standard of integrity bound by friendless honesty and personal responsibility. Number 2, Langsman HVAC LLC. With over 10 years experience in the HVAC industries, Langsman HVAC LLC is your industry expert in the area. We pride ourselves on our extreme professionalism and attention to detail. Our customer satisfaction guarantee will assure you we will not leave your property until you are completely satisfied with our work. A. Anderson AC Electric and Heating Company. Stacy was very customer friendly. He did the job perfectly and then set up my new thermostat and answered my questions so I could use it efficiently. I would definitely hire them again. Their more dynamic heating and air LLC. Their more dynamic heating and air LLC is committed to excellence in every aspect of your business. We uphold a standard of integrity bound by fairness, honesty, and personal responsibility. Our distinctions is the quality of service we bring to our customers. Accurate knowledge of our trade combined with ability is what makes us true professionals. Strickland Heating and Air Conducting. Here at Strickland Heating and Air Conducting, we pride our company on reliability, great communication,